Charming na, di ba lang sa Charming, ha? Charming.
Dina Lara Banmilero 10, Marcos Central. Micaela Carignan 10, Escoda.
Siyempre, Pacific of
Leona Rivera 10, Pacifico. Winnie Grace F. De La Cruz 11, Santiago.
Can you try to do it? What you said? Yeah, supposed to be
Jason Mayer of 9, Bidding. Princess Dolores Ramos 12, Maputi. Miles Jacoby De La Cruz 11, Estaquiwa. Diego Isabel F. Agustin 11, Kids College. Franklin Mas Eugenio Salud 11, Fortuna. Sensor Vivanera 10, Ferdinand.
Made, naalakan.
Mary Joy Corpin 11, Tabukbo. Shakti Glenda Bella 11, Elizabeth.
Now this year has surely gotten for us as we witness our 14 astonishing and mesmerizing candidates for this year's Miss Bebel Marcus Elementary 2016. And I believe it will be a hard time selecting who will wear the crown. That's right, Kate! O sino dito ang bet ang contestant number 1? Number 2! Number 3! Number 4! Okay, you were number 4, John! We're on number 6! 7! Cadet number 8! 9! Number 10! Number 11! And number 12! And number 13! Okay. Oh, gising na gising sila, Ma'am Gay. And now, for the casual interview, may we request candidate number 1 to please stay at the center stage. Candidate number 1, stay at the center stage for your casual interview. Okay, hello, kumusta ka? Okay lang po. Okay. May we request the audience to please refrain from shouting and screaming while the candidate is answering the question, because it's not easy to stand here and answer the questions. Okay, madali lang yung mga itatanong. Base naman sa mga sinulat nila dito sa biodata nila. Okay. Miss Johanna Ruth Rasqueta Pompa, ano yung pangarap mo sa buhay paglaki mo? Anong gusto mo yung maging kapag laki mo? At bakit?
Maging doktor po. At dahil gusto ko pang makatulong ng may sakit.
Okay, wow, that's very well said. Thank you, candidate number 1. Let's move on. Candidate number 2.
Candidate number 2 is from Marcos Central Elementary School. Hello, candidate number 2. How are you?
Okay lang po.
Ay, okay lang. So your name is Diana Laura Ballesteros Balmilero. What is your nickname? Dinah? Okay, let me call you Dinah. Dinah, sabi mo dito sa biodata mo, your motto or saying, if you think you can, you are right. Tama ba? Bakit? Why?
Dahil po kung ginagawa mo ito ng tama ay iniisip ng ibang tao po ay tama din ang ginagawa.
Wow, very well said, candidate number 2. Ang gagaling ng mga contestant natin, hindi halatang talagang okay siya. Okay, let's go on. Candidate number 3. Okay, hello, candidate number 3. I-share mo nga sa amin yung paborito mong kasabihan or your motto. I-share mo sa amin lahat.
Sa sama-samang paggawa ng kakamtan ang ligaya.
Okay, thank you very much. In English, in unity, there is strength. Thank you, candidate number 3.
Thank you, candidate number 3. Let us call on candidate number 4. Candidate number 4 is Leah May Rivera from Pacifico Elementary School. Who are the supporters of Pacifico Elementary School? Cheers, Daniels! Wala ba? Oh, wala. Number 4. Leah, what is your ambition in life?
Teacher. To become a teacher.
Okay, gusto niya maging guro katulad na.
Sino ba yung teacher mo?
Ikaw. Joke lang.
Sir Flor and Mangoba Jr.
Wow, that's a good one.
Pala.
Okay.
Thank you, candidate number 4. And now let us call on candidate number 5.
Hello, baby.
Hello.
Anong paborito mong subject?
The favorite subject is science.
Ay, science. Sino yung teacher mo sa science?
It's Mom Mary Jane Ablao.
Ma'am Mary Jane Ablao from Santiago. Okay, thank you very much. Candidate number 5.
Okay, here is candidate number 6. Candidate number 6 is Jason May from Bigging Elementary School. Saan po dito yung mga taga Bigging Elementary School? Jason, kumusta ka?
Mabuti naman po.
Ay, mabuting. So, here in your biodata, sabi mo, how will you describe yourself in one word? Paano mo i-describe ang sarili mo sa isang salita?
Clever.
Ako po ay...
Clever.
Oh, clever daw siya. That is candidate number 6. Okay, let us call on candidate number 7. Number 7. Candidate number 7?
What happened?
Cheska, but... Okay, since number 7 is absent, let us call on candidate number 8. Candidate number 8, Miss Mabuti. Mabuti sa Ilocano, Nasayaan. Okay, from Mabuti Elementary School, Princess Joy. What is your favorite subject?
ETT.
ETP.